Okay, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about Mueller Kueps. I hope I'm saying that right. I won their giveaway on Instagram. So let me show you what I got. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to show you this. This is cool. They gave me a catalog with all their stuff in it. Actually, I've been on their website and stuff and looking around, but I didn't even realize they had as much stuff as they do. It's awesome. They got a lot of stuff. There's the business card that's stapled to the catalog. If anybody wants to see that, I guess you can see it. I hope you can. But anyway, they gave me these cool stickers too. These are awesome. You know where they're going. Hold on. Don't get dizzy. Right up there on the sticker board. But this one can't, because this is an awesome magnet. Tell me that ain't cool. That's why in my Instagram post it's upside down, to show you that it's a magnet, not a sticker. But these are stickers. These are awesome. I wasn't expecting that. And technically I was only expecting one pair of scissors. Well, let me go ahead and show you. There's one. There's two. They are a little different. But to be honest with you, I was only expecting one pair. Let's see if I can get it turned around where you can read the part number and all on them. Can you read that right there? You see how this pair has that little notch right there in it? That's cool. There's the part number to the other pair. These things are awesome. And very, very sharp. Hold on, let me get them out of the package. Alright, they're out of the package now. As you can see, they're spring loaded, and that's how you keep them shut right there. Whoops, sorry about that. Just flip that up and they stay shut. That's cool. I'm telling you, these darn things are freaking sharp. And I don't mean sharp as in neat. I mean sharp as in will cut the you know what out of you. Well, I mean they're neat too, but you know, whatever. Awesome. As you can see with these, I haven't used them yet. So this is not a review video of these. This is just showing you that what I won on Instagram, another giveaway. These are awesome. These are awesome as crap right here too. Yeah, I know. I should play the lotto. I won another one. I know it. In fact, now that I say that, I really probably should. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Just make a short, quick one to show you what I won. These things are sweet. To be honest with you, I never really won anything. Never had anybody give me anything or anything like that until I started an Instagram page. I've been pretty lucky, pretty fortunate. So I'm very thankful for everything. Anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope you liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.